Hi everyone! In this video I will show you how to change Wi-Fi direct password of any HP printer. Subscribe to Signal Guru and let's go! The best way to change Wi-Fi password on your printer is via HP Smart application. If you don't have this application, open your respective application store. It's available in App Store, Google Play Store, Microsoft Store. So just install this application, open it. It has pretty the same interface on all devices, so everything is gonna be easy for you. Now accept terms and conditions or decline optional data. And tap on Set up a new printer. Allow to find devices on local networks. This is necessary, so allow. And before tapping on this tile already connected to network, make sure your smartphone or computer is connected to the same network as your printer. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and check this. If your printer is not connected to the network, you need to connect to it directly. So find your printer's network. Tap on that, and if you connect in for the first time, you will have to enter Wi-Fi direct password. Let me show you how to find it. If your printer has a display, you need to make your way to settings. In my case, this is menu, swipe up, settings, network, and now find Wi-Fi direct on your display. Tap on that and tap on view details. Here you can see your Wi-Fi direct name, swipe up, or use navigation arrows if you have the navigation arrows on your printer, and find Wi-Fi direct password, use it to connect. For the printers without display, and actually for all printers, they have options to print Wi-Fi details. So apply to your printer's user manual to find your Wi-Fi password and continue on your smartphone. So once you've connected to the printer, you can close the Wi-Fi settings, go back to the application and tap on already connected to network. Your printer is found, tap on its icon, and then in the application tap on the tile with your printer's name. It takes you to the settings. You need to tap on advanced settings. And now tap on these three bars at the top left and find network and find Wi-Fi direct in this menu. Tap on that. Now you need to enter PIN. You can find this PIN on the product label inside of the printer. So you need to open the scanning unit lid. This is your product label, and here is your PIN. Or you can find the same product label on the back panel of your printer or on the bottom of your printer, depending on your printer's model. So tap on this field, enter your PIN, hit done, and sign in as administrator. Now you can see your Wi-Fi direct information, same as in your printer, but some more information, including connection method, Wi-Fi direct password, MAC address, IP address. So to change the password, you need to scroll all the way up and tap on status. Now select configuration, and now you can adjust your settings. Make sure that connection method is manual and change your password in this field, or generate password automatically. In this case, you can find it in your printer's display or print the configuration page, or just enter new password manually. Hit done once you're done and apply your changes, and your password is changed now. After this, your device will be disconnected from the printer because the password is changed. So you need to go to Wi-Fi settings, find the printer's direct network, and forget this network. Then find it again and reconnect with your new password. I hope that helps. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. Bye guys.